In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Apollo.io for cold emailing, a powerful tool that can help you streamline your outreach and boost your email campaigns. If you've been looking for a way to send targeted, personalized cold emails at scale, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how you can get access to Apollo.io for free with an exclusive extended trial through the link below. Apollo.io is one of the most robust tools for cold emailing, especially for sales teams, marketers, or anyone looking to reach out to leads in a highly effective way. With Apollo.io, you can access a huge database of contacts, build targeted email lists, and automate your outreach process, all from one easy-to-use platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to set up your Apollo.io account, and don't worry, you can get started completely free through the link in the description. Once you've signed up, you'll be able to search through Apollo's massive database of over 200 million contacts. This is a goldmine for sales and marketing professionals who need to target specific industries, job titles, or regions. To start building your cold email list, go to the Prospects tab. From here, you can filter your search to match your ideal audience. You can search by industry, location, company size, and even specific job titles. This means you can find exactly the right people you want to email without wasting time on irrelevant contacts. Apollo.io makes it easy to get granular with your targeting. Next, you can save your searches and build a list of prospects that match your criteria. Once your list is ready, you can start creating your cold email campaign. Apollo.io's email builder is simple but powerful. You can draft your emails directly within the platform and personalize them for each recipient, which increases the likelihood that your email will be opened and responded to. Personalization is key here. You can insert dynamic fields like the recipient's name, company, or industry, so your emails don't feel generic. One of the standout features of Apollo.io is the ability to automate follow-up emails. After you've sent your initial email, Apollo can automatically send follow-up emails at intervals you choose, increasing the chances of engagement. You can set up multiple follow-ups with different messaging, depending on how the recipient interacted with your first email. Now, let's talk about tracking. Apollo.io provides detailed analytics that show you who's opening your emails, who's clicking on links, and who's engaging with your content. This data is crucial because it helps you understand what's working and what's not. You can use this information to optimize your cold emailing strategy over time. You can also A/B test different subject lines and email content to see what resonates best with your audience. This makes it easier to improve your cold emailing results without guessing. The ability to test and track your emails in real time is a huge advantage when it comes to refining your outreach efforts. Before you get started, it's worth mentioning that Apollo.io also integrates with popular CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and others, allowing you to sync your leads and follow-up seamlessly across your entire workflow. And here's a key tip. Don't go overboard with the number of emails you send at once. Apollo.io lets you set your sending limits to avoid spam filters, and you can gradually increase your sending volume as you scale your outreach. This ensures that your emails land in your prospects' inboxes and not their spam folders. Before I wrap up, don't forget, you can get started with Apollo.io for free by using the exclusive link in the description below. This will give you access to the software plus an extended free trial, so you can try all of these features out before committing. Apollo.io for cold emailing is an absolute game changer, and I highly recommend giving it a shot if you're serious about improving your cold outreach. Remember, the key to successful cold emailing is the right strategy, personalization, and follow-ups. Apollo.io offers all these features and more, making it one of the best tools for the job. If you want to take your cold emailing to the next level, Apollo.io is the way to go.